She could order food easily at restaurants. She even started making new friends in English. One day, James noticed her progress. "Anna, your English is so much better." Anna smiled. "Thank you. I practice every day." James nodded. "That's the secret. Keep going." Anna felt proud. She wasn't perfect, but she had come a long way. She had learned that the key to fluency was practice, patience, and confidence. Practice. Time. Introduce yourself. Say, "Hi, my name is." Say where you are from. "I am from." Practice ordering coffee. "I would like a coffee, please." Say what you did yesterday. "I went to." Give directions. Walk straight, then turn left. Encourage yourself. Say,